also be the manner of entry, as by renting of the doors. Consequently, say when the mortgager consents to the mortgagee taking actual possession, which can be rare, the occasions where physical taking of possession is possible to be rare. It will generally only be possible with the mortgager and any tenant of the mortgager has abandoned the premises. No one has abandoned the premises.
I'm not here, we're not going to use violence, okay? Excuse me. What's that?
Yeah, we're peacefully objecting. It's not an offence, it's not an offence. I'm the law proprietor of this property.
You can stand for me, please, because
for a stay, right? Okay, well, it contains the application for a stay, right?
your stay was dismissed.
No, it wasn't.
But not from the high court, not from the high court.
Where's your high court paper?
You know it.
Court act has been served in the court. Our judicial review, Laverne County Court, right?
Yes, say it.
Yes, there is.
Say it.
This is the case law.
What you're doing is illegal. What you're doing is illegal.
It's not.
Yes, it is illegal. You know that, right?
You need to stand aside from
This is
the
the case law, right?
I also had the penal notice. I also had the penal notice to service the Matthews that if he doesn't leave the premises, he can be arrested.
Let me say, yeah, but he has to go to court before
He has to leave the premises.
before he gets arrested.
You thought you wasted taxpayers' money, huh?
Right. Brendan Holdings. What you do, Brendan Holdings? Right. The court appeals case. Brendan Holdings versus Tell. Right. And the court still found that there was a precedent. Was he outside? To do with this property. I'm the proprietary owner. I'm the proprietary, it means I'm the owner. I'm the title owner of this property, yes. Yes. The property belongs to me. And they say, who are you? If you think like that, I'm Joseph Henry Fergus, that's who I am.
Okay. She knows that you are. All the case has been listed against you. I'm here with the official court warrant. At the end of the day,
you're breaching due process. And it doesn't, it's unlawful. It's void. It's void. Then in the sense, a void act is a void act, right? And no court cannot give life or validity to a void act, right? All of that level of capital may was void, right?
is invalid.
It's in a high court.
A void act is a back end. Then it says, right? Any
I can know my name.
any void
I can know my name. Why should I get arrested? I'm going back. Anybody more racist than you lot?
It's void.
Legalize the
It's void. It's void.
and then it's a question of just getting immediately figured out.
Why don't you go and clear up all the pitfalls of the streets and deal with the real criminals, yeah? That's what we pay our taxes for. Did you know that?
I asked you at the beginning of our conversation. I'm sorry you're not happy.
I'm not happy.
I'm sorry you're not
All you get all your bullets to go around and put in that people all the time.
I'm not big enough
Yes,
to be
you
a
are.
bully.
You are a bully.
Yeah.
You've got the uniform, innit? That gives you the right to kill people, innit? In custody.
You're
What
right.
about smiley culture, eh? What about smiley culture?
Lots of people kill people, we don't need the uniform.
Listen, you can check. Listen,
I had
right?
You're going to
attack me
What about single
right?
red?
With the
Why
for the
would
land.
you give me
If you've lost papers with the High Court,
Yes.
you can have a copy.
Yes, okay, to me, right? It's been served on Lambeth County Court. So all he has to do is I'm speaking to him, I'm speaking to you, right? All he has to do is call Lambeth County Court. They will confirm. It doesn't matter where it's come from. All he has to do.
Hang on. He's just come from the place
come
you're saying.
Yeah, but he hasn't. You're asking me to prove.
I'm asking you if you've got your papers.
I haven't got no paper, but Lambeth County Court do have it.
Hang on.
It's been served at Lambeth County Court.
Hang on.
And yesterday, hold on. Yesterday, I went to Lambeth County Court, right, to apply for application for a stay, amongst other things, right? And the judge at Lambeth County Court said he cannot process, the judges, because it went to a few judges, they said they cannot process it because I've lodged a judicial review and it's now with the High Court, right? So the High Court has jurisdiction. Now my judicial review contains application for a stay, right, which has not been adjudicated on, right? So therefore, the bailiffs are not allowed, are not entitled to enforce the warrant until the application for a stay has been adjudicated on, and it has not been adjudicated on.
Please listen to me now. I'm not a private body, I'm a county court bailiff. I'm here on behalf of the judge. The judge dismissed your application.
It doesn't matter. Your judgment is process. What you're doing is unlawful.
Let him finish.
I'm not denying it, but all the information you've started quoting to
Right, you
me,
hear that? He's not denying it.
I've agreed with you, and I have told you this morning that your application for stay has been dismissed, and I've been instructed by the courts to go ahead with this eviction.
It hasn't been.
You have other applications in place, but I know that those applications do not stop enforcement of the...
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
It does.
Yes, it does.
I'm not telling the judge.
My application from Lambeth may have been for a stay, may have been dismissed, but my application for a stay at the High Court is pending, and you are not entitled. You'll be acting outside the office and jurisdiction if you attempt to enforce this warrant.
I'm here to enforce the warrant.
Mr. Fergus, you'll step away from the door, please.
No, but what you're not doing, what you're doing is illegal, right?
Back up next to
We
you.
pay our taxes.
Stand back, madam. Stand back.
I want to see what's going on. Just
Stand
stop
back.
looking at
He
me.
needs to stand back for his own safety.
What safety? What around you lot? Just around killing people? Huh? Is that your way with it?
I'm the proprietary owner, and I'm entitled to protect my property, and that is what I'm doing. I'm not breaching the peace, I'm peaceful. I'm not breaching the peace, I'm not breaching my rights.
Right here, right now, what I'm saying to you is
And we're talking,
No, it's not right to say that.
You're not allowing me to talk my case. I know you're asking me to go it off. I'm not authority.
What you're doing is illegal.
the bailiffs to execute this warrant.
Okay.
And what you're doing is a bit, because you're supposed to stand here and supervise, not take over, not do their bloody job, just to pay taxes for.
What law are you seeking to
move away from the door? You've already had
Under
it
what
explained
law?
to you. The county court
Under what law
you're not
are you
even
basing?
listening. Let's move away from the
What
door.
law are you basing?
Leave him alone, right? Listen to him. That's assault. That's assault.
Keep mind out. Calm down.
Yeah, we'll get back to him. That's assault. I want to kill him.
He's not being hurt. We're just
Yes, you are. No, what you killing? What you killing? Somebody told you. Isn't it?
Mr. Fergus, come this way, please.
Is this what you do?
No.
He's peacefully resisting.
Yeah, we
right?
got that, madam.
Right?
We got that. We've got that, madam. We're not hurting him. Got it?
Yeah. Kill somebody culture this guy. Get your hands off him. Stop.
Stand back.
Leave him alone.
Do not stop. There you go.
Just keep over that side. Stay there, sir.
Don't use force on me.
I didn't,
Right?
sir.
Are you arresting me? Are you arresting me?
No,
Okay.
hands up, I'll be there.
So why are you using force on me? Obstructing. Obstructing what?
Calm
You're
down.
Can you stop bullying him, right? You've already got enough people's blood in your hands.
So am I being detained?
No, you can go down here.
You'll be
prevented from causing an obstruction. And you will be arrested for preventing breach of the peace.
Yeah. Can you take someone take these collar numbers?
Yeah.
Can I have your collar numbers?
We give you
Read
them.
them out.
I'll
Read them
read them
out.
now.
Just read them out. Read the numbers out.
MD
346.
346. What's that stand for?
And the other one?
Are you even a policeman?
MD 167.
We're going to be posting entry.
What are you? What are you?
MD 167.
Then you short one with one drag.
You're obstructing me.
Everything's 167. That little short one was 167.
No idea how
Don't push me. Don't put your hands on me. Don't put your hands on me. Because I haven't put my hands on you.
You just did, I believe.
No, I didn't. I went to pass and you pushed me away.
Do not try that.
Alright? You went to push me away. The police, Jack, just filmed them. The police are not allowed to use any force. It's a civil matter and the police are not allowed to assist anybody. You're not allowed to. Well, you do it then and see how many complaints come down on you and see if I don't take out a personal prosecution against you. Personal prosecution, not one against the police, a personal one against your name. Because you've been acting outside the office. You do understand the government. You've been acting outside your own office.
Do your job. Do your job. You had to do your job. That's what you
Jack, you got any more numbers there for me?
I've got a number.
What's the inspector's number?
I've got a number.
Jack, tell me if the police help to dig in that door.
Yeah.
Right, film them. Film them.
Yeah.
Film them, just film them. Keep filming them.
Yeah, the police. I can get his number while you're talking. Yeah, the police. Yeah, the police, man. What the hell?
And what are you using?
Who's that officer?
What are you using?
Oh my God, you're literally doing what you're doing is illegal. Illegal? You're a police officer. Police officer?
You need to rag it.
Yes,
Just use it.
get in there.
Grab it, sir.
Get your numbers in there. You can come and do this phone. Stop in the neighbours.
Simon, how you doing? I'm the lawful proprietor of this property.
Are you going to stand aside for me, please? Because
No, I'm not going to stand aside.
yeah, you need to move away from the door.
Can you stop watching me? At the moment you're obstructing.
Can you move from me? Take your hands off of me, right? Move yourself. I have your number as well, right? Not your number, who wants you?
Calm down, right?
Yeah, well, this is a notice that I've served to the chief constable and it sets out our position. If the police get involved in this issue, this is a civil matter, and if the police get involved in this matter, they'll be acting outside of office.
If you stop them,
Well, he hasn't finished, let him represent
Stop me
himself.
from doing my job. The police are here for the breach of the peace.
It's not an offence.
If you're not going to stand aside, let me do
If
my
there's a
job.
void order,
You are
if there's
causing
a void
a
order,
breach of the peace.
No, what you're
it's a
doing is
void
illegal.
order. It's a
It's
void
illegal.
order.
Are you going to move aside for me, sir?
Hold on. I have an outstanding judicial review that is in the court. It contains
You have
an
nothing-
application for a stay.
Don't have to talk in my face, yeah?
Okay, well, it contains the application for a stay, right?
Your
That
stay application was dismissed.
No, it
For where?
wasn't.
From Lambeth.
But not from the High Court. Not from the High Court.
Where's your High Court papers?
You know
The court
it
has it's been served in the court. A judicial review, Lambeth County Court.
There is
right?
nothing
yes,
to
yes,
stop
Yes, there is.
going ahead.
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is.
Official High Court paperwork stopping the
this is the
eviction
case
going
law.
ahead.
What you're doing is
This is the case law.
illegal. What you're doing is illegal.
It's not.
Yes,
I mean,
it is
everybody-
illegal. You know that,
case law.
right?
You need to stand aside from the
This is
door,
the
yeah?
case law, right?
I'll be honest with you, I also have a penal notice. I also have a penal notice to serve Mr. Matthews news that if he doesn't leave the premises,
Right, okay, that's
he can
fine.
be arrested.
That's fine. Let me say, yeah, but he has to go to court before.
He has to leave the premises.
Before he gets arrested.
Mr. Matthews. Is this why you waste taxpayers' money on that?
Even be here.
Right. Brendan Holdings, right? The Court of Appeal case, Brendan Holdings versus Patel, right? And the Court of Appeal found that it was oppressive.
That's not your case.
A failure of the court to process the application for a stay was found. Yes, I have. What do you mean I've got nothing to do with this house? I'm the proprietary owner of this property. So I have everything to do with this property. I'm the proprietary owner. I'm a proprietary.
What does that mean, sir?
Proprietary means I'm the owner. I'm the title owner of this property, yes.
The title owner?
Yes.
So
the property belongs to me.
And who are you?
Who do you think I am?
Well,
I'm Joseph Henry Fergus, that's who I am.
Okay.
She knows who you are.
All the case has been listed against you. I am here with the official court warrant. At the end of the day,
you're breaching due process.
Well, that's
and it doesn't, it's unlawful, it's void. If it's void,
He's already taken up in the court.
Jennings has said a void act is a void act, right? And no court cannot give life or validity to a void act, right? The order that Lambeth County Court made is void.
Whatever you're quoting is invalid.
It's in a high court, love.
A void act is a fact. Jennings said, right? Any Lord Jennings, you know Lord Jennings, the Master of Rose.
How do you know my name?
Any void.
How do you know my name? Yeah.
We bumped into each other. Yes. It's been served on Lambeth County Court. So all he has to do is I'm speaking to him, not speaking to you, right? All he has to do is call Lambeth County Court. They will confirm. It doesn't matter where it comes from. All he has to do
Hang on. He's just come from the place you're saying.
But he hasn't. You're asking me to prove.
I'm asking you if you've got your paper.
I haven't got my paper, but Lambeth County Court do have it. It's been served at Lambeth County Court.
He's got the papers.
Hold on. Yesterday, I went to Lambeth County Court, right, to apply for application for a stay, amongst other things, right? And the judge at Lambeth County Court said he cannot process the judges, because it went to a few judges, and said they cannot process it because I've lodged a judicial review and it's now with the High Court, right? So the High Court has jurisdiction. Now my judicial review contains application for a stay, right, which has not been adjudicated on, right? So therefore, the bailiffs are not allowed, are not entitled to enforce the warrant until the application for a stay has been adjudicated on, and it has not been adjudicated.
Please listen to me now. I'm not a private body, I'm a county court bailiff. I'm here on behalf of the judge. The judge dismissed your application.
It doesn't matter. You're judging the process. What you're doing is unlawful.
Excuse me.
I'm not denying it. All the information you've started quoting.
Right, you hear that? He's not denying it.
I've agreed with you, and I've told you this morning that your application for stay has been dismissed, and I've been instructed by the courts to go ahead with this eviction.
It hasn't been.
We have other applications in place that I know, but those applications do not stop enforcement of.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
It does.
Yes, it does. Right, what you're doing is
I'm not telling the
unlawful,
judge.
and it's legal.
My application from Lambeth may have been for a stay, may have been dismissed, but my application for a stay at a High Court is pending, and you are not entitled. You'll be acting outside of office and jurisdiction if you attempt to enforce this warrant.
I'm here to enforce the warrant.
Mr. Fergus, you'll step away from the door, please.
No, but what you're not doing, what you're doing is illegal, right? We pay our taxes.
Stand back, madam. Just stand back.
I want to see what's going on. So just stop blocking us,
You need
please.
to stand back for your own safety.
My safety? What, around you lot? And you'll go around killing people? Huh? You get in the way of it?
I'm the proprietary owner, right, and I'm entitled to my property, and that is what I'm doing. I'm not breaching the peace, I'm peaceful. I'm not breaching the peace.
Can you say
I'm
the moment,
defending my
at the
rights.
moment, right here, right now, what I'm saying to you is you've been
And
free
we're
time to move away from the door.
and we're talking.
No, he's got a right to stay there.
You are now
my
case. You're not allowing me to put my case. No, you're not.
You're now
What you're doing is illegal.
obstructing the bailiffs to execute this warrant.
And what law-
And if you
what-
obstruct them,
okay.
if you obstruct them, well, that's an offence in its own right. What I'm saying to
And
you,
what you're doing is offensive because you're supposed to stand here and supervise, not take over, not do their bloody job. That's what we pay our taxes for.
What law?
and you now need to move away from the door.
What law are you
You
seeking
need to move away from the door. You've already had it
Under what
explained
law?
to you.
Under what law are you
Bailiffs are here, the
basing?
county court.
Under what law
You're not
are
even
you
listening,
basing?
sir. Let's move away from the door.
What law are you basing?
Leave him alone, right?
Away from the door.
That's assault. And it's a video. And he's on video.
Stand back. You get back here.
That's assault. Stay there, Nick.
We're allowed to video.
He's not being heard.
We're allowed to video. We're allowed to video. We're allowed to video. We're not recording it. We're recording it.
Mr. Fergus, come this way, please.
Yeah, is this what you do?
No.
He's peacefully resisting,
Yeah, we got that, madam.
Right?
We got that. We've got that, madam. We're not hurting him.
Yeah. Well, you killed Smiley Culture, didn't you? Get your hands off him and stop brutalising him. Leave him alone.
They're not
Look at you.
They're not
Fucking bullies.
There you go. Just keep over next side.
Leave him alone. Yes, you did.
It's been very silly.
So why are you using me?
Amir, can you video over here? Can you stop bullying him, right? You've already got enough people's blood in your hand.
So am I to be detained?
No.
He will give that to him, investigate.
Can you take some and take these collar numbers?
Yeah.
Can I have the collar numbers?
Right, just read them out. Read them out, Joseph. Joseph, read them out. Read the numbers out.
MD 346. What's
Yeah.
that stand for?
And the other one?
Are you even
MD 167.
We're going to be forcing entry.
And what are you? What is it? What are you?
MD 190.
That little short one was the one dragging you around. Especially him, I got him. MD 167. MD's 167. That little short one was the one doing all the brutalisation.
No idea how
So short, you have to go and bully people.
Don't push me, don't put your hands on me.
Stop putting your hands and gun on your light, you short ass.
No, I didn't. I went to pass and you pushed me away.
What are you doing, Deacon? Take controls.
Hello, sir. It's the police. It's the police.
The police chap just filmed
That's right.
It's a civil matter. The police are not allowed.
And they're taking over. Why is the police taking over?
To tiptoe down.
Entry, madam.
Say what they can do now.
I'm talking to.
They can travel.
Personal proposition, not one against the police.
Yeah. No, you're not taking over. You're going on. This is not what we pay our taxes for. This is not what we pay our taxes for.
Listen to me again. Okay, go away.
Do your job. I'm not going to
Do your job.
Do your job. You have to do your job.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what we pay our taxes for. Not for you to go. I've got the numbers. I've got the numbers. Ah?
Jack,
Yeah, I've got it.
the police help digging that door.
Yeah.
Right.
Hold on, let's kicking the door in the police.
And again.
Yeah, let me see.
Yeah. Just video. Right.
Yeah, it's the police. It's the police. I can get his number as well. He's happy. Yeah, it's the police.
No, yeah, that policeman. What the hell? That big fat officer.
What are you using?
Oh my God! He's literally doing that. What you're doing is illegal.
Illegal.
You're a police officer.
Police officer.
Yeah. The rabbit.
Yeah.
Yeah, could use it.
Get in there.
Get him.
Get your numbers in there.
Amika, come and video this guy.
That's fine.
Disturbing the neighbours.
Look at us, we pay our taxes for police to go and this is what you do in South Africa. You already stolen enough people's land in Africa.
I don't work in South Africa, madam.
Yeah, but your ancestors did. That's why you can come and bully everybody.
Yeah.
Japanese, madam.
Good. You're Japanese?
Yes.
Need to learn your culture.
Doesn't matter. They stole your wealth as well. You know
I
that?
know, he needs to learn his culture.
Give him room.
Police officers.
Look, right on. Yeah, it's ridiculous. Can't get in. Little pig, you can't get in. Then you can huff and puff. Oh my God, the other one's trying it now.
The one that don't know his culture, innit?
Eat your Weetabix.
It's going.
Come on!
Hey! Can't get in. Good. Good.
That's right, what do you think? That's all.
There's lots of drills, lots of screws going in, but just take your time.
Take your time.
What do you think?
Why do you think you probably walk out with...
What you do in South Africa, you always stolen up people's land in Africa.
I don't work in South Africa, madam.
Yeah, but your ancestors, that's why you come and shit everybody.
I'm half Japanese, madam.
Good. You're Japanese?
Yeah.
Get it. You know your culture, innit? So your work was what you know that. No, we used to learn his culture. Please, officer. Can't get in. Little piggy.
That's enough.
You can huff and huff. Oh my God, the other one's trying it now. Very culture. Come on. Hey! Can't get in. Good. Good.
There's lots of drills, lots of screws. Just take your time.
Take your time.
Why are you keeping me over there walking out with the stand?
You've been obstructing your work.
I'm obviously doing this trouble so we're
Stand back. Should I stand the way to the door, please?
He's behind the door. And if you injure him, you will be personally liable. He doesn't need to. He's defending his rights. Simon! Tell Simon to stand behind the door. No, it's not. If you injure him, you'll be liable. Right? Because you're using unlawful force and you're acting outside your office anyway. Each of you individually. You're going to be personally liable if you injure anybody in that house. No, where's the paperwork? Where's my paperwork? Where's my paperwork?
And the medication on the property permit.
Why have you given the paperwork?
Give it to him.
No, the small piece of paper with that notice got given to this lady here. He was writing the shoulder number down.
Where's the piece of paper?
What piece of paper?
Piece of paper.
What piece of paper? What piece of paper?
Don't stand through the door. Don't stand through the door.
Stand, don't move from the door. You're defending your lawful rights. And you're defending your property. Right? These policemen are acting outside of their office and outside of their jurisdiction. And we will be taking action against the men. And each of the police are not entitled to use force. The courts are not entitled to use force.
please.
And the police certainly are not entitled to use force.
We don't wish to injure you, but you need to go back away from the door.
No, you need to withdraw. Because you need to do a risk assessment. You need to do a risk assessment of what's going on here for your public liability insurance, right? And you failed in your duty. You failed to do any type of risk assessment, right? So we will be taking action. We know what the process is supposed to be, and we know what we've witnessed here today, right? And each and every one of you officers are going to be called up, right, on charges, criminal charges, right? You've done no risk assessment. No risk assessment to see who's in the property, to see if there's children in the property, and to see if there's anybody vulnerable in the property, and to see if your actions are likely to
there's no disabled people in there.
Stress, right? And unnecessary risk to people's safety.
Wow,
right?
that would be terrible.
So you are in problems, Mr. Sergeant. What's his number? What's that sergeant's number? The big one, obviously.
Wow.
It's that same one that was round there.
Well, you see, he'll have a pip on his shoulder, innit? He's the sergeant.
Oh,
You know the pig? No, you have 3 stripes. 3 stripes on his shoulder. That's right, isn't it? Sergeant. Yeah. Now, no risk assessment. And you're using destructive force there. Destructive force. Nobody's killed anybody. No one's kidnapped any children or molested any children here, right? And the police have no authority to be doing what they're doing. Unreasonable force. Without having done any risk assessment whatsoever.
You're giving yourself credit, you're useless, huh?
You get to a water sign, now to the back.
It's not out for a private hire here now as well. The banks are able to hire you for a fee. The banks are able to hire you for a fee. How do you feel about that? We pay for you, but then you go and get hired out for a fee from the rich corporations. I don't care about you. You're not policeman.
I'll get a pay rise.
You're not a policeman.
That's why they've gone back to business all the time, right? Yeah. Trying to prove their point. Black people are so hard in this country, want to come to any problem. Legalise criminals.
Where do you need to get to?
Legalise
To a house.
We don't go out in the street. We don't sell drugs. We don't bring guns to the country. It's decent hard work, huh? And when we work hard, you want to come and take a little react, huh?
It's got nothing to do with work, because you say so. Because you say so, it's got nothing to do with it. You're out for private hire. Right, if I had a problem, I couldn't have all these bloody police come to support me.
And the thing is, if it was white people in there, I wouldn't do all this.
And there's no police present. People are shot, right, raped. The people are raped, attacked all the time. Right?
Nothing to do with colour of skin at all.
Yes, it is. You're not black, so you can't even mention those things. Keep your mouth quiet, because you don't even know what it's like to wear my skin, alright? So you ain't got no say. Keep quiet.
No, it's not to do with that. It's to do with the corrupt corporations that are able to buy, right, the enforcement agency on these lands in England. They're able to buy them and keep them quiet, bribe them, keep them quiet, right, and send them out to do their bidding for them. That's what it's about.
Legalise criminals, that's what you are. Legalise criminals. Look at you. That one is really shining, mate.
You're going to use a food pound, you are.
There's a big old bar behind us, 2 or 3 big bars.
Smoking in here, please, sir.
What?
Smoking in here.
I live here.
Does it make a difference?
I live here. I live here. We didn't say I can't smoke. Where? Right, they're going to be in problems. You're not allowed to. This is a civil matter, and you are not allowed to help assist the police. So you are going to be held accountable. I know somebody higher has probably okayed it, but it doesn't matter. It's unlawful, right? And I've been taking out an official complaint and a private prosecution against each and every one of you officers here.
Just be careful you don't talk to my brother, right?
Yeah. What's his name?
I'm telling you, just be careful.
What's his name?
Who is in charge here, please?
What's his first name?
Yeah, who is in charge? Who's the commanding officer? Who's the commanding officer? They're probably on private hire. They're not here in official capacity. They're certainly not acting under the public oath. You're certainly not acting under your public oath, are you? To keep the peace without fear nor favour.
Yeah, clear the air now. Don't like the smell that's coming off of you.
Listen, there's no need to be offensive.
No, I don't like the smell. I'm standing here. Look, don't start running your mouth with me. I told you, don't run your mouth with me, alright? Just know it. Don't run up your mouth with me, alright? Better not run your mouth with me, okay? Right? Let's see your case. Maybe you don't stick yourself up high. Wait a bit. They ain't come back. Take some shitty break. They ain't got the right tools. They got to come back with the right tools.
You got a problem with me or something? Why are you not having in a hostile manner? I'm not looking at you in a hostile manner. I'm got nothing personal against you. It's just what you're doing that I'm against. You know what I mean? And you're acting in a capacity whereby, right, you're empowering the powerful, right? Just because they've got money, nothing to do with the law, right? But just because they've got money, right? I can't tell you what to do, right? But the big corporations can tell you what to do, can direct you to go and break the law. You think it's all right?
And what's obviously there behind it now still.
I can take part in the yeah, brilliant. Damage the officers, so the police officers have done. My door.
Go back to the station and clear up the real criminals, right? And I'm asking you, who is in charge, please? Since you're going back to the station, I want to know who's in charge.
Yeah, and they're not saying
Can you tell me who's in charge?
They're not saying that who's in charge.
Who's in charge? No, which one? Which one? Because I'm reporting you otherwise. I've asked you. Right, which one? Right, tell me which one. Which one? You're supposed to say who's in charge before you can start.
Yeah, exactly. It's a proper taking a picture of the police and battering down the door using all kind of weapons, right, to batten down the door. And the police have got no jurisdiction to act in these matters. No jurisdiction. You're supposed to be keeping the peace, right? But you're not.
But it doesn't matter.
Right? You're assisting the babies. That's a criminal offence. Do you realise that? Do you realise you're committing a criminal offence in what you're doing?
What number's it?
Or don't you care? Are you oblivious to it? Do you think you're all right because you're superior?
You're going home.
It's all right.
You're going home.
Yeah. Yeah, you're committing a criminal offence and all of you are on record, right? You're not entitled to assist the bailiffs in any capacity, right? And you're acting outside your oath of office. Don't you know your jurisdiction? Don't you know your jurisdiction? Where your jurisdiction is and where it begins and where it ends? Obviously not. Right? But your superiors know, right? Your superiors have been put on notice, right? And we will be taking follow-up action.
I don't know why you both get locksmith because, you know what, I don't know why you both get a locksmith because the police done all the work. Is this what we pay our taxes for? The police to come and
yeah, 20 hours for private hire.
And also, private hire.
Who's in charge?
Yes, the bailiffs.
No, I want to know.
Yeah, the bailiffs are in charge. Please, the bailiffs are in charge. The bailiffs are in charge of the police. The bailiffs give the police instructions. The bailiffs give the police instructions. That means you're up for private hire. That means you're here under private hire. Under taxpayers' money. Under taxpayers' money.
The bailiffs are in charge.
What we'll do is we'll go back, we'll have a chat, get forensic kit, we need to come down.
Yeah, under private hire. You got that? Under private hire. Wow. Under private hire.
They're really
under private hire.
They really are getting involved.
Are you proud of yourself?
Wow.
Are you proud of yourself?
Who is in charge?
Is this what you took your? Is this what you took your?
So who is in charge?
Well, if you who's in charge? No, you've got no jurisdiction to act.
Who is in charge?
You have no jurisdiction.
Oh no, the police are going down. Police are going for more reinforcement.
You have no jurisdiction. You have no jurisdiction.
For more reinforcement to help the bailiffs. The police are going for more reinforcements to help the bailiffs in order to help them.
Scotland Yard now. Scotland Yard now. entitled to assist the bailiffs in any capacity, right? And you're acting outside your oath of office.
Didn't know that.
Do you know your jurisdiction? Do you know
He knows more better than you.
where your jurisdiction is?
MD 167.
Obviously not.
You're going to need a full entry kit.
Right? But your superiors know.
When you go back, you look it up. What you've done is totally legal.
Will be taking order of
I don't know why you bothered to get a locksmith because... You know what? I don't know why you bothered to get a locksmith because the police done all the work. Is this what we pay our taxes for? The police to come and...
You're obstructing us.
No, look.
And also, you continue to...
Who's in charge? Who's in charge? Who's in charge?
The bailiffs are in charge.
No, I want to know who's in charge at you lot. Are you in charge?
I'm not in charge, no, there's my shoulder number.
Empty. 416. Who is in charge?
I'm in charge.
You're in charge. What's your name?
You've got my number.
What is your name? You're in
You've
charge.
been abusive.
Empty 19. I'm going down the police station. I'm going to make a official complaint about you. MD 190, right? Josie? MD 190, right? Lads, you've been told, go home. Your sergeant's told you. Go home and eat your Weetabix and your shredded wheat. Yeah, such a shame. See ya. I don't care how silly you be.
It's a shame that you came in with good intention.
We ain't racist, we got no power. You're the ones, if you go to the police station, you know who the racists are. They're all in the police stations killing black people.
We have no jurisdiction. I'm following Scotland Yard now.
Get a picture of him.
The police are going for more
APS speaker. What number's it? You're going home, right? You said you're going home.
Got some photos in that.
Yeah, not brilliant.
Might be worth smashing the pen in it.
Yeah, you committed a criminal offence and all of you are on record, right? You're not entitled to assist the bailiffs in any capacity, right? And you're acting outside your oath of office.
You didn't know that.
Do you know your jurisdiction? Do you know
He knows more better than you.
where your jurisdiction is?
MD 167.
You're not going to need a full entry kit.
Right? But your superiors know.
When you go back, you look it up. What you've done is totally legal.
Will be taking order of
I don't know why you bothered to get a locksmith because... You know what? I don't know why you bothered to get a locksmith because the police done all the work. Is this what we pay our taxes for? The police to come and...
You're obstructing us.
No, look.
And also, you've continued to harass us all the time.
Who's in charge?
The bailiffs are in
No, I want to know who's in charge.
Stop picking your nose, it's nasty, it's not hygienic.
Thank you for your
It's not hygienic. No, I work with children. Yeah, don't pick your nose, use a tissue. Use a tissue. Use a tissue. Use a tissue.
Is that all you got?
Use a tissue.
Is that all you got,
Don't pick your nose, you're a big man. You're a big man.
I am a big man.
Big man. Well, use a tissue then, darling.
You're a big woman.
You're a big woman. You're not a child. You know right from wrong.
I'm a big man, you're a big woman, yeah?
Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose.
Scotland Yard.
Nasty.
Your mouth.
Sickening. You're going to go eat his bum. Don't come out.
Lads, you've been told, go home.
Your sergeant's told you. Get the step in. Get the step in.
And you shredded wheat.
Yeah, such a shame, Mom. See ya.
I don't care how silly you be.
It's a shame that you came with good intention.
We ain't racist, we got no power. You're the ones, if you go to the police station, you know who the racists are.
You have no jurisdiction. I'm following Scotland Yard now.
The police are going for more reinforcements to help the bailiffs in order to...
I'm following Scotland Yard now.
For this though, Kate, you might...
I'm following Scotland Yard now.
I'm not going to branch into it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
We just go through the window next time, it'd be easier.
Go for the window next time, it'll be easier.
I wouldn't try to promise you.
Go for the window next time.
It's dangerous. So what you need to do is go back and deal with the real criminals, right? All the paedophiles, all the rapists, all the racial abuse cases, go and deal with those. Right?
To my house.
Didn't succeed.
We got loads of bailiffs. We're 2 bailiffs.
On your way. They know they're right. They know what they're doing.
Yeah, she's like,
Hold these.
So who got assaulted?
Yeah.
nobody. No, she said she tried to push her. She tried to push her up.
Someone suggested something, and they was like, "No, we're not going to get away with that."
London, S for sugar, E for...
The other side, go around the other side and take Nika.
It's going on now, yes.
Nika.
Right. The police, the usual, they use the baton rods and they put it in jack rabbit or something.
Take it from the other side, across the van. No, it doesn't matter, we need some pictures.
Right. So they use